Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. Hope all you are doing well. So here is an exclusive another video on gold jewelry collection. Gold necklace with gold earrings, and the design are unique and Pinterest inspired, and the weight of the necklace set is around 5 grams to 15 grams. These are lightweight that are perfect for daily wear, and the girls who like minimal design, these are especially for those ladies and girls. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like the video and subscribe it, and also press the bell icon for more update on new jewelry collection. So watch the whole video for amazing collection and enjoy the video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.